Thank you so much, Silas, for coming in and helping this homeowner find out what all the problems are.
You're welcome. And what we typically find is most of the time we can solve these problems without ripping out really expensive heating and cooling equipment and starting over. We can simply take the systems that the homeowner already owns and make low-cost adjustments that'll make a huge difference on their comfort and efficiency. And so we're not spending tens of thousands of dollars.
Now, I know your home inspection and the testing that you did revealed an issue the homeowner had no idea about.
That's right. So we found through the evaluation that the blower door showed the home is very airtight. And that's great news with respect to comfort and efficiency. The issue that we want to avoid is a buildup of moisture in the house from being so airtight. And so we found that the home doesn't have an adequate ventilation system. The bath fans that exist as sort of the attempt at ventilation aren't set up or have the right amount of airflow to totally ventilate the house. And so we're going to look at several options to help the homeowner out with that.
And again, explain more why that's a problem if a home isn't ventilated well enough.
Yeah, so if we don't have enough ventilation, we risk things like moisture condensation on windows and not being able to get rid of the off-gassing of all of our new products, our new flooring, our new carpets, our new furniture, and those sorts of things. And so we just want to have a nice indoor environmental quality and good air quality in the house.
So what are the options that you're going to offer them? And let's go from least expensive to most expensive.
Sure, so we'll look at a supply or an exhaust-only system, which can be as simple as essentially a return duct pulling air from the outside that has special controls so it only opens and closes as needed, or utilizing a better exhaust fan that can move more air, similar to the bath fans they already have, but with more power, and then controlled in a way that will allow them to ventilate the entire house. Or we can go to something as complex as a heat or energy recovery ventilator, and that system both exhausts stale air from the inside and brings in fresh air from the outside, and so as not to pay an energy penalty, it actually recovers some of the heat from the exhaust air.
Now, this house has exhaust fans in the bathrooms, but that's not what you're talking about.
That's right. Because the exhaust fans don't move enough air to ventilate the entire home, and they don't have the controls to allow them to operate continuously, it's really inadequate as a ventilation system.
And Megan asked that question. I mean, you can go probably from very simple to more complex in terms of cost, right?
Yeah, that's right. So our supplier exhaust-only systems may range in cost from $200 to $500, whereas our heat recovery or energy recovery ventilator option could be as much as $2,000 to $3,000.
So these homeowners here would not have known they had problems unless they talked to you. If somebody out here is inspired to call someone, where should they begin as far as a contact?
We like to encourage folks to start with their local utility who might have a free audit program, and then they could go further than that with some more advanced testing with a firm like ours.
And a consultation like today, how much would that run someone?
Typically $300 to $500, depending on the size of the home and the number of systems we need to test.
Well, Silas, again, a lot of great information you shared with us and with our viewers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks.